Alright guys, I've been doing some glue ups. I don't know if you can see down here. Got that glued up. These are different patterns that I'm going to glue up here. And then I've got templates that I use to cut out. These are from Crafted Elements. So I call this like the Pac-Man fish or the goldfish. This is the lighthouse. And what I like to do is write the measurements, so the width and the length of it. That way then I know exactly what to cut my stock for my glue up. Because I don't like to waste any wood. And anything that is small, I'll use for like little bitty cutting board feet, mounts, whatever you want to call it, just to get it off of the countertop and keep it nice and dry. So like any type of stock that's small, from cutoffs or blanks or whatever, I always keep these and turn them into something else. Like when I talk about scrap, this is my scrap here. This is basically what I always end up with, and this kind of pleases me to where I'm not wasting a lot of wood. Like I even hate to burn this, but I literally can't do anything with this for what I do. Somebody might be able to, but I really think you just be making a toothpick at this point. But there's one thing that I wanted to show y'all. This is a new template that we got. It's called the charcuterie board. Check that sucker out. She's a, well, not she, but he's pretty big, ain't he? But I've already made one of these. Not too sure how we're gonna like list them for sale. Like what? I think this would be like a good bachelorette party. You know, like gag gifts and stuff like that. But other than that, I don't really know. Like Haley doesn't know how she's gonna do the resin. Like, should you do it on the balls? Should you do it on the tip and then call it just the tip? I don't know. We're funny people, but trying to decide on how to actually sell them. And then we did get a shark. This one's pretty cool. All these two here are supposed to be for this guy. I love this guy. He looks awesome, but the thing is you need at least 11 inches wide, and then you're wasting this much, and you're wasting this much. So there's a lot of waste on this, and you're gonna have to re-glue and make some more stuff out of it. And then always cut out MDF from the actual acrylic templates. That way then I can cut out with the router more boards instead of having to transfer each template. Because the whole goal is work smarter, not harder. I think that's it right now. Alright guys, today's March 26th and it's my birthday. Turned 29 years old today, and this is what I'm doing on my birthday. Got the deep fryer, getting some charcoal ready. Then we got old Smiley over here getting this red oak slab. We've got a bevel on this end over here. Oh, you can blow it. So we're sanding down that side there. It looks really good.